Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our behavior channel. And in this today's video we are going to learn about a very special item in fluid simulation, and that is fluid to item converter. Okay, so basically we have seen number of fluid items till date. We have number of videos available on our channel where we started in fluid simulation from fluid generator. We explained about fluid generators, and we have a video for mixers, then we have for tanks, and then we have for fluid conveyors. And now we are at an area where now we are going to convert this fluid into an items. Okay, now for example, if you say that this is a oil which is flowing onto the conveyor, and I need to pack this oil in cans or bottles, and that is where this element is going to make a bigger role into our simulation model. Okay, because this is what is going to drive everything around in this. Okay, so when we talk about fluid to item, what we are going to do with the help of this object is we are going to basically convert our oil flowing on a conveyor, fill those into a bottle and get those things out. Okay, so in this today's video we're going to understand about how we can use this fluid to item converter, its properties, its trigger, and how it functions about, right? So basically, if you look at the connection, it's simple. A connection you need to do from the conveyor to fluid item, and then from fluid item to whichever area you want to move those bottles and cans out. Okay, now when I am talking about this, you also need to understand where this fluid to item converter would be available. So here it is, fluid to item, second last into the library. Okay, we also have item to fluid converter, which we will be looking in our subsequent videos, but in this video we are going to learn about fluid to item. So fluid to item will be taken care from here. You need to drag it into the system. Okay, it looks like this if I wanted to show you. And now let us look at the properties of those. Okay, I'm just double clicking this fluid to item of our thing which we have. Okay, now I'm double clicking and we have a properties of the fluid to item in available here. Okay, so the maximum content which this machine can hold in liters is 100. Okay, and the flow item which we are going to produce is cylinder. Here you can select your test tube, you can select bottles, anything you want, but I am using the default flow item, that is cylinder, which would be looking like a cans. Okay, now if you look at, you need to specify that how much or at what rate you should receive input into your fluid to item device or machine or object. Okay, so here I have made it 1-on-1. Okay, and I am going to get it from port 1, and what we are going to do is the flow item output. So what is going to be out from this machine is like, I'm going to convert 5 liters can. So I'm going to create 5 liters can. So every can would be of 5 liters, which I mentioned 5 here, and 1 can would be created out of 5 liters. Okay, now if you could look at, you have adjust input rates here. I have just kept it default, do nothing. Okay, and then we talk about flow properties. You can send to port is the output thing which we have here. You can use the operator or something like that to move from fluid to item to the next thing. Okay, and you can also have send to port, different options available here. Now when we open the properties for the fluid conveyor, if you see, we do not have output window here. Okay, but we have output, or you say a flow thing specially mentioned here. If you look at this window of fluid conveyor, okay, we have input outputs, right? And we talked about sensor positions onto those, but you don't have the output to be controlled here. That is where you have it in fluid to item. This is a major change in fluid to item, a device or object compared to other fluid entities, okay, into the system. Then you can go to the triggers. We have these 3 triggers. If you talk about fluid level display, you can also have this rectangular, you have it cylindrical. Depending on your requirement, you can have those. Okay, and then we have labels out here. We have general stuff here, and then we have statistics out here. Okay, So it's as simple as that. It's nothing like you just need to specify that what should be your inlet, outlet, how much can you're going to produce of how many liters, select the flow item, flow you need to specify, and it's done. And I'll just show you by running this. So basically, and you would be getting the things out. Okay, so I'm just resetting this. Okay, I'm just opening the properties now again, and anything that we changed, I guess everything looks good. Now when I'll just reset and run this, hopefully I'm just removing the stop button now. Okay, I'm running this. Okay, so if you see, this is what you are able to see here, right? You are able to see our flow items creating cans each of 5 liters with the rate of 1. So we're getting 1 liters into the machine, okay? And we are, once we get a 5 liters in, we are going to create one thing out. So if you see here, 4 liters, it would be then 5 liters, and then we will have a can out from this. And these are our cans which are coming. You know, how beautiful it looks, right, into the simulation environment. I really love it. So these are your cans of oil, 5 liters each, and now these are ready for shipment. You can take these out from the system via docking or the stuffs like that. So this is about fluid to item in the fluid simulation. Okay, we'll be understanding other fluid objects and entities also. Let us know how these videos are for you. Do you like these videos which we are bringing you for fluid libraries, fluid devices? Let us know your views in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video with your friends, guys, because it is really, helping us and you, so that our Be channel is going to be a greater and bigger community, right? So do not forget to visit our website, beourchannel.com. We already have that website available where we bring in daily content for you. That would be informative blogs for you. We have simulation trainings available onto that. We have personal finance, we have health awareness related details. So there's a lot of data we have brought in to you, lot of services for you. Whichever you want to opt in, visit our website, beourchannel.com, and we are there to service you out there. Let us know how are our videos. Are those videos, helping you? Are those videos adding value to you? Because your input is really going to help us improve our services. That's all for today. Let us meet in another grand interesting video. Till then, stay tuned on Be Aware. So thanks for joining and stay simulating. So welcome to our website, beourchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support. Then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have vlogs which are literally going to groom your, skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home, you will get the, tab where you can book online appointments. For, if you want, the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want, the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this, Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files, which you can import in your simulation, for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your, engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So, to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for, simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our behavior channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events. And you can check our services here for detailed and more informative things. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly. Because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to, opt for a training classes based on, subscription, we also have option for that. You can, visit and purchase that. Then we have, the modules in specific modules, which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where, we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and, the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from, simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website, behaviorchannel.com, to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are, dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here and ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website, behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.